I wanted to give a big shout out to my guy, Shannon Young. If you guys haven't had Shannon's cooking yet, you're missing out. I'm telling you right now. The guy is a whiz from the field to the table. I was lucky enough to get some of his ground deer meat this year, as well as some other things. Some jerky as well, some deer jerky that was fantastic. But I'm telling you, this ground meat that he made, I don't know what all he does to it, but it is freaking fantastic. And if you're lucky enough to try it or get a recipe from him, take full advantage. Because the way this guy preps his meat after he kills it is second to none. So give him a look, guys. Check out his recipes, check out his videos, check out his social media. The stuff is legit.
Hey, I really appreciate that. You all stick with us because we're going to take people from thinking that they can't do it to saying, wow, I just did that. You all stay tuned because we're fixing to get wild. Ah, there he is right there.